Hey everybody, so I got a quick mail call from Jennifer Cline, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a letter in the mail from Miss Jennifer Cline. I'll leave a card up here for her channel, as well as probably on the end screen at the end of the video. Her channel is called Miss Dewalt, and it has her name at the end of it. So it says Miss Dewalt Jennifer Cline. She's a great YouTuber. She does lots of cool little knick-knack projects. She does lots of videos on Dewalt tools, and she sent me a card. I'm not really sure what's in here. I think she might have mentioned that it was a sticker and a card. She only asked me, I think, a few days ago for my address, maybe a week ago. Oh, yeah, a couple stickers. Peel here. Oh, this is, that's neat. She made these stickers, they're at the end of her newer videos, which is kind of cool. She makes lots of flags and stuff. Antonio, thank you for always supporting my work with kindness. You're one follower who always has something positive to say, and I appreciate it. Jennifer, aka Miss Dewalt. Thank you, Miss Dewalt. I appreciate it, Jennifer. I like the front. I actually have a pair of boots just like that. It's a pretty cool card. I appreciate it. I thank you for the stickers. I'll put one on the cart, and I'll put one on the sticker bomb toolbox that's in this room. Let me put this back in here so I can close it. I appreciate it. And please go check out her channel. Like I said, I'll leave a card up here, and on the end screen I'll probably link one of her videos. And thank you so much, Jennifer, for the stickers. I appreciate it. And please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.